Sorry girls, that video got ended abruptly. So we are on the next question, that is the third question. So we have to classify the angles whose magnitudes are given below. Magnitudes means whose measures are given below, and we have to identify which one is acute, which one is obtuse, which one is right angle or whatever. So let's do the first part. It is 122 degree. 122 is more than 90 and less than 180. So it will be obtuse. Right? Obtuse angle. Now we come to the 83 degree. What is it? Fifth part is 83 degree. 83 degree is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Now we come to 257 degree. 257 is more than 180 and less than 360. So it is which angle? Reflex angle. Now the last one, 10th part we will do. It is 179.99. See girls, it has not reached to 180. It is less than 180. So which angle it will become? It will become obtuse angle. Okay. So this is obtuse angle. Now we come to the fourth question. Fourth question says that state the kind of angle in each case. So now the directions are there. Between east and west. East and west. Please draw this figure. Okay. Between east and west, which angle is there? It is a straight angle. Second part says east and north. East and north. Which angle is this? This is 90 degree. So it is a right angle. Now we come to the third part, north and northeast. So there is one more. We will draw here northeast. So which angle between east and northeast? This one. This one is obviously less than 90 degree. So which angle it will become? It will become acute angle. So it is acute angle. Now fourth one they are saying between north and southeast. Okay. Southeast, let's draw southeast here. Okay. So now they are saying between north and southeast. So it is more than 90 degree. This one till here it was 90 degree. More than 90 degree it will become obtuse angle. Okay. Now we come to the fifth question. Fifth question says what is the size of the reflex angle? Listen to the question carefully. They are saying what is the size of the reflex angle? We always have to consider the reflex angle here now between the hands of the clock at 3 o'clock. So first you will draw these small 3 clocks. First is they are saying it is 3 o'clock in the clock. But we have to tell what is the measure of reflex angle. Which is the reflex angle here? Is it the inside one or is it the outside one? This angle is reflex angle. The outside one, because it is more than 180 degree. Okay. Inner one will become 90 degree only. We are not talking of the right angle. They have given in the question, we have to find the measure of the reflex angle. Reflex angle is this one. Now girls, you know that in every minute 6 degree is covered. So here how many minutes have been covered? You calculate here. Here 45 minutes are there. From here to here. 90 here, 90 here, 90 here. So 45, it will be 45. Sorry. How many minutes are 15, 15, 15. 45 minutes are covered. So 45 into 6 gives you 270 degree. Clear? Second part. At 5 o'clock now. 5 o'clock means this one. One needle is at 5, one needle is at 12. Now which is the reflex angle here again? Reflex angle is more than 180 degree. So it cannot be the inner one. It will be the outside one. So we have to calculate the measure of this angle. So now girls, how many minutes are there covered till 5 here? Not the inner one. Inner one it will be only 25 minutes. But the outer one, how many minutes are there? 35 minutes have been covered. Because till 6 there are 30. 10, 5 it will be 35. 35 into 6 degree, that gives you 210 degree. Got it? And the last one is 8 o'clock now. Now this is the 8 o'clock and the reflex angle will be this much. For this reflex angle, how many minutes have been covered? 40 minutes have been covered. 40 into 6 gives you 240 degree. Clear? Now we come to the sixth question, true and false. The sixth question you will do it in the book only. So here it says, if two angles are acute, their measurement must be equal. Is it true? No, they can be 30 degree and 60 degree also. Both are acute. Both are same. No. So the answer is false. Second part. If the angle measures 45 degree, it is acute. Now this is true. 45 degree means acute angle only. This is true. Third one. If the one angle is acute, the other is obtuse, the measure of the second is larger than the first. If one angle is acute, let us say it is 30 degree, and the other is obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90. Other is suppose 120 degree. Then the second one is always larger than the first. Yes, it will be true because obtuse always means larger than acute one. Okay, so this is true. Third part is true. Now the fourth part. If an angle has a measure twice that of an acute angle, it must be obtuse. Now suppose we are having an acute angle of 2 degree. Now double of this 2 degree is 4 degree. So will it become obtuse? No, it is not necessary. It can be acute only. So this is false. Now the fifth part says the angle between the direction north and south is a right angle. Between north and south, is it a right angle? No, it's false. It is a straight angle. Clear? Now, the MCQs you can write, you can do it in the book only. It is saying which angle is shown by the hands of the clock in the given figure. Now, this outside angle, which angle is this? This is a reflex angle. Eighth part, an acute angle is formed between the hands of the clock at 9 o'clock. Now, between the hands of the clock they are saying. If it is been 9 o'clock, so between the hands it would be 90 degree. So no, acute, it is not an acute angle. Between 4 o'clock, no. 11 o'clock, yes. This is 11 o'clock. This is acute angle. So answer is 11 o'clock. Ninth question. In the figure, calculate the angle A. What type of angle it is? Now, inner angle. You can say that the inner one is 90 degree. So it is a right angle. Okay. 10th. The angle between the two opposite ray. Two opposite ray. Here and here. Which is this angle? This is always a straight angle. 11th question. Which of the following is obtuse? Obtuse, you know, more than 90 degree. So here, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. You have to remember that. So 92 degree is the obtuse angle here. Okay. So with this, we come to an end of this exercise. I hope everything is clear to you. Okay. And girls, if anything is not clear, you can always ask me on my personal number. You can always WhatsApp me or you can call me. I'm there to clarify your doubts.